Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to play around with the Colourpop Good Sport palette. If you haven't seen my haul, I will link it up in the iCards, but this is probably the main reason why I did my Colourpop purchase, and I really wanted this palette so bad. So I want to play around with it today, and I think I'm going to do a green look. I just want to do a green look because I just want to do a green look. So let's start out. I think I'm going to go with Flow, which is this mauve shade right here. I'm going to put this in the crease. So as you guys know, I did most of my face already. I have no idea when this video is going to go up, if I still will be in this house. Like, I know, I keep talking to you guys about it, but that's what's happening in my life right now, and I'm just like, everything is so surreal. Alright, so let's see. I'm going to grab this brush. So we started out with the mauve shade. Now let's go fly. Okay. I think I'm going to use Trophies, which is this green, like an army green, khaki green. It's a pretty green, another matte. We're going to pack this on the outer part. This actually is transferring as a black instead of a green. Oh man. I was hoping for a green. That looks like a black. That ain't no green. Why? I was actually looking forward to that being a green. Maybe I'll make it green. We'll see. Just blend out these edges. That even swatches like a black. You just fooled me there. You just fooled me. I'm going to go with Hooked, which is more of a muted green, because I think I'm going to go with this one, EBB, on the bottom. I'm not going to wet my brush because I always like to see how these perform without wetness. Let's see. Okay. I gotta move this a little closer. Kind of looks like a bronze shade. I'm still bummed about that green. I really wanted it to be a green. Okay, that one looked nice. Now we're going to go in with EBB, which is this shade right here. I'm going to put this on the lower lash line. Now that shade did not disappoint. Ooh, yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. That's so pretty. I look so awkward. And then I want to do the inner corner, and I'm going to use this yellow shade in here without wetting my brush again. I just want to... Very nice. I'm going to use a Stash from Urban Decay. That's the closest green that I have with me, at least on hand. Alright, so I'm going to do my mascara, lashes, and we'll come back. I don't think I'm going to do a wing liner just because I already have enough black on the outer part, and I'm not too happy about that. Okay guys, so I never hit the record button after I came back. Oh, that's wonderful. So for the cheeks, I used Poppy by Bare Minerals, which is this blush right here that you see on my cheeks. For highlight, I use Sunshine from Bare Minerals. It is an eyeshadow, but I just use it as a pigment. It is an eyeshadow, but I use it as a highlighter. That's what I meant to say. And then for the lips, as I have lipstick on my teeth, I use Nudist from Bare Minerals, which is right here. But I found it to be a little bit too nude. I don't know. I don't feel comfortable in nudes. So I mixed it with Cashew from Bot Booty. And that's what you get on my lips. Alright guys, so that is it. My thoughts on this, just for using it for the first time. Obviously, I will get back to you guys. I don't like fully first impressions, so I will get back to you guys. I am not happy that this green did not turn out to be green, even though I wanted it green. The shimmer shades always perform beautifully in Colourpop. Like, I love the color Hooked. It's really nice. Licious is a very, very vibrant yellow gold. And then this one, oh my goodness, EBB. Oh, it's amazing, amazing. So I think I'm going to play around with this even more, because I like this yellow and purple situation going on with this rookie shade. Like, I do like these. And then this color that I did use here too, this mauve matte shade, was gorgeous. It was absolutely beautiful. It looks really nice on there. So if you guys want me to do another look with this, let me know. I will be more than happy to do that. I did like the look. I was just hoping that that one specific green was more of a hunter green, more green than black, because I was hoping for more green. So anyway, I will list and link all the products down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video. And don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.